What up? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we got something very special, something that I've been waiting for the last 2 or 3 days. I got 2-day shipping, so it came in pretty quick. From the title, you already know, I ordered my Lucky Speed Shop Shorty levers. I got them in the bronze color. I was originally gonna get them in a black color because that's what I wanted to do. But then I decided just to add a little more funk to the bike, make it pop out a little more. And I already went ahead and I opened up the package, so pretty standard packaging. Everything, I'll show you right now how it comes. Pretty wrapped up, pretty nice. I'll show you guys the first one real quick. That's the only one that I opened up. I didn't open up the other one yet. There's bubble wrap in the bottom of the box, and then inside here there's some more bubble wrap as well. And here we go. So pretty nice color, man. I was contemplating because I didn't like online it looked like it was brighter than this, but this might actually be the same exact color as the wheels, so that's a plus. The only thing that might throw me off right now that I'm a little scared of is the fact that the tip of my grips are a little brighter than this, so I don't want it to get thrown off too much. But I mean, that's an easy fix where I could just, like, you know, paint it or something. But these are really nice, man. Nice little finish. I like it. It's like a little, I don't know, like a little extra, some extra paint on here or something. Just looks a little bumpy. I don't know if the camera could catch it, but overall pretty nice. We'll go ahead and open the other one, make sure nothing is wrong with it as well. All right, so that's the second one. So pretty nice color. Don't want to lose that piece. Put that in there. Let me see what else is in the box. We have some stickers for the sticker wall. I keep telling you guys that every time I do a mod, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna show you the sticker wall, and I never do, I always forget. But after the review, I'll show you guys the sticker wall, see what we have up there so far. If any of you other guys wanna send me some stickers, you can also look down in the description box. I have my P.o Box information in there, so if you wanna send me some of your stickers, I'll send you some of mine, and we get be friends. All right, so they also do provide you with some instructions right here, which we're gonna go over right now and review pretty quick. All right, guys, so we're first gonna start by taking off the mirror so we just have some space, because once you loosen up the mirror is also connected to the turn signal. We can move everything out the way, and it can give us some nice space to work in. All right, guys, so what you first want to do is come down to where your clutch cable heads down right here. You can lift this up very easy, very smooth right here. Right here, you're gonna see that you have this red pin. So all you're gonna do is get like a flathead screwdriver. That's gonna pop open, you push that in. I already went ahead and did it, so I'm not gonna do it again, but well, I just pushed it out. So as you can see, the red tab is pulling out. So all you gotta do now is just bring the spring down. Just like that, you squeeze it in, you push this in, that'll lock in place, and then that's gonna give us a lot of lag right now on top in order for us to pull out that cable from the lever. All right, so we're obviously gonna start with the clutch side first, and what you're gonna do first is get rid of these lock rings that are in the bottom, holding in this part right here. Lock ring, or is it a lock ring? Is that what it's called? I really don't know what it's called, but hopefully this needle plier that I have here isn't too, it looks like it's too big, but I'm gonna try to maybe pop it out. Should be able to. The needle pliers that I have are too big. I have bought some smaller ones previously, and they're like a piece of shit and they broke apart. So I'm just being creative with what I have in the garage right now. I have this old spring, and I have this, and I'm able to just hook this onto the hole where the clip is at, and then with this I'm able to separate it, and it's like, it's coming off now. So so I'm gonna do right now, there it goes. So this little, I don't know if I can get it to autofocus, but There we go. That's what's holding it in place right there. All right, guys, so remember, it's very, very important that you go ahead and loosen up that cable from down below, because otherwise you're not gonna have enough slack. So as you can see, I already did it. I can go ahead and I could pull this forward and the whole device would just pop out just like that, real nice and easy. Without doing that, you won't be able to get the lever out of there, guys. You're just gonna end up damaging your clutch label. So right here, pretty simple. All you're gonna do is pop this up right here. This comes open. So we'll take a lever now. We'll slip this inside, as you can see right here. Then we'll just take the original piece that I had before. We'll clip that on there just like that. We'll loop this in. There we go. We'll push the cable back. And we'll go ahead and we'll take our pin back in there again. We'll slip it over to the top. There we go. We'll take our lock, our little ring, our lock, our clip lock, our clip lock, our lock clip, or whatever. And I'm gonna go ahead and just sweep this in there. Hopefully it goes back on there as easy. Don't lose it. I almost lost it. There we go. Now I'll go down to the bottom and I'll release the clutch label again so I can tighten up. So as you can see there now, I can pull back and it's very nice. We got a nice little pull back there, nice and tight. All right, guys, so we'll come back to the top now. We'll put our mirror back on there. We'll lock everything in place like so. Now I'm gonna tell you the same thing I tell you guys in all my installs, guys. I am not a mechanic. I am nowhere near a mechanic. I'm just okay with my hands. Like, okay. So believe me, if I can do it, I'm pretty sure you could do it at home as well. All right, so we got our first lever on there. It looks good. I like it. And right here, I mean, pretty much me, I'm the type of rider that most of the time, I only use 2 fingers when I'm applying pressure to my levers. So this is like perfect. And even if I want to, I could fit almost 3 fingers. Nah, I mean, I have like kind of chubby fingers. So, I mean, it's perfect for me. I'm used to already using 2 fingers and that's what I fit on there. And it looks pretty cool. I really love the paint on there, man. I really, really do. Big change, big change. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other side now. This side's gonna be a little different. We're gonna go ahead, like I said before, and we're gonna loosen up the mirror that we have some space to play around with. We take off the mirror and we take off the turn signal. And then with this one, we're gonna have to take off the cap on top next to the grip, because this one's a little different. Now the reason why this one's a little more different is because we need to loosen this up. The lever on this side goes right in there where the mechanism is at, so we got to loosen up the mechanism, get out the way in order to take the lever out. Oh damn, that one popped literally right off. I didn't really have to do anything. That was easy. All right, so we'll pop this up now. Get this clip out of there. Just like that. You gotta be very careful you don't damage anything here right now. Just like that, move this down. And it comes right out, guys. Nice and easy. So all this grease you see right there, we're gonna apply that to a new one. Making lever love. We're making lever love. We're making lever love. We're making lever love. That should be good. All right, so we're gonna roll up in there again, just like that. Where are we? All right, guys, so with this one, we're gonna have to play around with it a bit. Move this little socket out the way a bit. Slide this in there. All right, we got it, perfect. Let me get my pin. Lock that in place, that's good. Get the cover. Yes, 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 yes. All right, sweet. And get my screw. All right, that wasn't too bad. This one you just have to, you know, play around with it. Just make sure you're putting everything back in its proper place, because it could be a little annoying getting the lever right into here. But as long as you play around with it, find it in place, make sure you put everything exactly where it goes, you should be fine. We can go ahead and put our little lock ring in again. Make sure to tighten that ring up again, because I kind of like stretched it out a bit in order to get it back on there. So I'm just gonna tighten it in there. All right, that's nice and tight in there. What we're gonna do now is just wipe this down, because I got grease all over pretty much everything. So I'll be right back. All right guys, that's gonna be it. I hope you learned something today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up right now. If you're wondering if the colors match the wheel perfectly, yes, the colors match the wheels perfectly. So if you have a blacked out lowrider S, or even the silver Barracuda Silver, which has the same color wheels, it's gonna be identical to the color, guys. So pretty cool. I'm really happy with them. I want to take the bike out now and take it around the block, make sure everything works properly before I go on a ride this weekend. And that's it. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. Like always guys, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby.